Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I have gone and done it. I have taken the Shelly Art Bloom course, learning that technique. I watched video after video after video today, and I really want to give this a whirl and have a successful, beautiful bloom. So fingers crossed it works. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much, you guys. Love the comments, all the thumbs up. It really does make my day. So keep them coming, and truly, I very much appreciate every one of you. Okay, I've got a 5-inch gallery wrapped Artist Loft. It's a level 3 canvas going. I'm going to do 2 of them. I'm going to try and do one on my spinner and one as a tilt and see what the difference is. Who knows? They may turn out to be exactly the same. I'm going to try and do one in some blues and one in some reds, and we'll see how it works. I'm going to be doing this little Piggy Pigments in some of my reddish orangish colors, and then I've also got Color Art, the Primary Elements Bling It series. So the colors I'm using is Bellagio Blue, which is this guy here. I've got Crushed Velvet. Now these are the primary elements. Crushed Velvet, this one, and Palazzo is this one right here. So those are the colors I'm using for the Color Art. I also have on this side a Color Art George's Peach, which is this color here. Put those aside. And then I've got Sangria from Little Piggy Pigments, and Grenache, which is a really pretty red. So those are what the colors are I've chosen. And I've also got no stick. They're called gripper pads, non-slip gripper pads. They're just little round coasters. I got them at the dollar store. I put 3 down here. I'm hoping it's going to keep my canvas from moving. Usually I would put a little bit of paint down below, stick it down, keeps it from moving. But I'm hoping that these mats will save me from using those paint at the bottom of my canvas. Not that it's going to get covered anyways, but we'll see if these work. So if they work, run to your nearest dollar store and buy some. They come in a 4-pack. And I have a feeling they're going to be awesome. Okay, let's give this a whirl. Now Greg's going to put some music on. Sit back and enjoy. The first one I'm going to do is going to be the tilt. All right, here we go. Let me grab my house paint. Alrighty, hun, hit the music. Thank you.
Take my hand, let's go. rest our weary bones by the fire here. Well done, my faithful son, my precious daughter. Well done. We'll follow the light down the longest road in the darkest night. We'll make it home, though our hands are tied and our feet are warm. We'll follow the light. We'll follow the light back home. We'll follow the light. We'll follow the light back home.
I can't make the sun rise. I can't tell you why I would even try. I can't speed up or slow down the time, and I can't tell the sky to rain or the stars to shine. Oh no, I'm not in control. I could grow my own food. I could buy the best cleaning products. I could drive the safest car in its class, but I can't tell you when and how I'm gonna pass. Oh no, I'm not in control. In the end, all I have is my yes and my no. I'm not in control. Oh, the world is going crazy. I feel like everything is falling apart, yet everybody still tries to pretend. But there's no telling when and how it's gonna end. Oh no, I'm not in control. In the end, all I have is my yes and my no. And the grass will keep on growing, and the birds will keep on singing this song. The waves will keep on crashing, and the world will keep on spinning on its own. Oh, 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 I'm not in control. Oh no, I'm not in control. In the end, all I have is my yes and my no. I'm not in control.